Hey everyone, I wanted to come on today and show you something fun that you can make for your students. So basically I've been seeing all these people making these Bitmoji backdrop scenes that look really fun, and so I wanted to use that idea but add a little bit of more fun on top of that. So what I wanted to make was some kind of system for randomly choosing students. So kind of think about the old-fashioned pulling a popsicle stick and randomly choosing a name. That's what this is going to be for, but you can use it on your Zoom calls, or you can use it in your face-to-face classroom, project it up on your whiteboard, however you want to use it, and it's going to be super fun. So here is the one I made, and basically I wanted it to look like an old-fashioned game show so that I could be, say like, oh, and next up is so-and-so. So here it is, and I just Googled game show backdrops and looked at the images, and this is the one that I picked, so I pasted it on the screen and put it in the background. So I also needed something to be pointing at the person who's going to actually get chosen to answer the question, and that's what I used my Bitmoji for. So I put my Bitmoji on there, and wherever it stops is going to be the student that gets to answer the question. So once you play the slideshow, you can see that it'll spin until you click, and then it will stop. Okay, so here is the template I'm going to give you so that you can make your own. And all you have to do is click in the text boxes and change student to your actual students' names. There are 30 different spots for you to write in, but if you have less than that, you can always make a spot say spin again, or you could even put a student's name twice, or you could say teacher's choice, or however you want to fill in those extra spots. But once you have them all changed, it's ready to go and it's ready to spin, and it will spin automatically because I've already added the animation to it. And all you'll have to do is get your Bitmoji picture. So you can just go into your Bitmoji extension, and I typed in pointing, I think, to find one. And I just wanted one that was pointing. So once you get it, you can copy it and then press Control V to paste it right back in. And then you can just kind of move it around or reshape it to where it fits where you want it to go and where it can be pointing at your students. And then it's ready to go. So the last thing you're going to want to do in order to use this is to export it as a video. So I'm going to click on File and then click Export, and then create a video. Now how you're going to use this is just play the file as a video, and then you press play and it'll spin, and when you're ready to choose your student, you press pause and it'll stop, and then it'll have your student there. So I'm just creating him, save it to my desktop, and then once it saves, I'll open it up and show you. It might take a few seconds to save. Okay, so I saved it on my desktop, so I'm gonna get back to my desktop. Here it is. And there it is, spinning, spinning, spinning. And once I press, whoa, I clicked myself. What are the odds of that? Oh my gosh, and then just play and spin. So this is my other one. So I had the two slides on there. So, and that's all you do to make your own spinner. So have fun making it your own.